Hi guys, welcome to Gadget Bridge. This is Sulabh and the festivities are on, and in the middle of the festivities, Apple is gonna go ahead and launch the brand new iPhone XR. This is the 256GB version, so let's go ahead and see what's inside the box. Alright guys, before we go ahead, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so that you see our videos first. Okay, so that's the iPhone XR in front of us. Let's start with the price. The base model is 64GB and that's going to retail for 76,900 rupees. Looking at the box, it's like any usual iPhone box. You get the iPhone image up front, the iPhone logo on the right and the left. At the bottom you get the Apple logo, and turning it around you get to see that this is the 256GB version and this one is going to retail for 91,900 rupees. Alright, so let's go ahead and see what's inside. Okay, so the first thing that we see is designed by Apple in California. This should have the manual and probably a couple of stickers. Yes, it's got the manual inside. It's got the SIM ejector tool as well, and yes, like I said, it's got the Apple sticker as well. I'm gonna keep that on the side for a little while. Anything else inside here? No. So yes, so that's the iPhone XR. Don't need the knife today, so I'm going to keep it on the side as well. Let me just rip this open. Pretty neat. So the iPhone XR is available in 6 colors. These include the one that you see in front of you. There's yellow as well, there's red as well this time, black, white, and of course blue too. So I'm just going to turn it on and I'm going to bring it back in a while. The other components in the box are a USB charger, the headphones which will be connected via the lightning port on the phone, and of course the data cable. Right, so those are the contents inside the box. You get the data cable, the charger brick and the headphones. So let me go ahead and bring back the phone. Alright, so we just set it up. It's up and running now. So let me just first take you through the aesthetics of the phone. On the right you can see the power button as well as the SIM tray. So this is the first time Apple is actually bringing a dual SIM smartphone in India. This is the first time they will support 2 SIMs inside their phone. At the bottom you get the speaker grill, the microphones, and of course the lightning connector. On the left side you get the volume keys, and over that is the ringer button. At the back you get a 12MP camera. It has aperture size of 1.8. Under that is the LED flash with the Apple logo flashing at the back and the iPhone branding also. So overall pretty much neat. It weighs under 200 grams and in the hand it feels rock solid. It does carry the glass back as well for wireless charging, and you get a 6.1-inch screen with the notch on top. There is a bezel on the side, so you do get this dark black band running all across the screen, but mainly the front is dominated by this brilliant 6.1-inch liquid retina HD display. Alright, so let me just take you through the technical specifications of this mobile phone. As we said, this is the 256GB version. It's got 3 gigs of RAM, though Apple does not tell you exactly how much RAM there is inside the phone, but benchmarks do show that the iPhone XR has 3GB RAM inside. As far as the battery is concerned, it has just under 3000 mAh. It will last for more than a day. I mean, you are gonna get a full day's battery when fully charged. Apple iOS 12 does come out of the box and you get all the latest features. Controls that came in the iPhone 10 are already available on the iPhone 10R as well. Swiping from bottom to the top will bring back the home screen. If you have the Face ID there, you can unlock it with your face as well. Otherwise, you can put in your passcode. If you swipe and hold, it'll bring the list of applications that you opened recently. Swiping from the top right corner will get you things like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth control, airplane mode, brightness, volume control, etc. As far as the cameras are concerned, like we said, the rear camera is powered by a 12 megapixel sensor and it's a wide angle lens. Actually, this is after a while that we are seeing just a single camera on any iPhone. Up front you get a 7 megapixel camera with aperture size of 2.2. Both the cameras can record videos in full HD. The rear camera can also record videos in 4K up to 60 FPS. So the resolution of the screen is 1792 by 828 pixels. This is at 326 ppi and it carries a contrast ratio of 1400:1. Of course, the True Tone display is already available on this one. Inside you also get the Apple A12 Bionic chip. So the chipset available on the 10s Max and the 10s is also inside the 10R. Other features of the iPhone 10R include 4G LTE, Wi-Fi 802.11 AC, Bluetooth 5.0, NFC, and of course, like we said, it supports G charging. You can just place it on a wireless charger and it'll start charging on its own. So let's go ahead and see a couple of camera shots. Alright guys, so that's the iPhone 10R. You saw the unboxing, saw those couple of camera shots. These are our first impressions that we quite like the phone. It's built up of this metallic and glass body which is seamless and feels really sturdy in the hand. If you did like the video, do share, do comment, and do let us know what else would you like to see when it comes to the new iPhones. Do hit us on that Instagram channel as well. This is Sulabh signing off for Gadget Bridge. I'll see you next time.